Best sewing machines make stitching faster, smoother, and more precise, whether you're a beginner or a professional. They combine durability, easy controls, and versatile stitching options to handle everything from simple repairs to creative projects. Starting at number 1. Brothers CS7000X Computerized Sewing Machine. The Brothers CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine is a versatile and beginner-friendly machine designed for smooth, precise sewing and creative quilting projects. It features 70 built-in stitches, an easy-to-read LCD display, and a wide extension table that gives you extra space for larger fabrics like quilts and garments. With its automatic needle threader, jam-resistant bobbin system, and included 10 presser feet, it makes sewing more convenient and efficient. Built with a durable metal frame and offering consistent stitch quality, it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced sewists who want reliability and flexibility in one machine. Number 2. Singer HD4423 Sewing Machine. The Singer HD4423, meltwater blue, heavy-duty sewing machine is a powerful and fast machine built for tough sewing tasks. It features a strong motor with up to 1,100 stitches per minute, making it ideal for quickly working through thick fabrics like denim and canvas. With 23 built-in stitches, 97 stitch applications, and a one-step buttonhole, it offers enough variety for both everyday sewing and creative projects. Its durable metal frame, stainless steel bedplate, and adjustable settings help ensure stable, smooth, and precise stitching, even on heavy materials. It's a great choice for users who want speed, strength, and reliability in one machine. Number 3. Janome Blue Couture Sewing Machine. The Janome Blue Couture Sewing Machine is a beginner-friendly and easy-to-use machine designed to help new users start sewing with confidence. It features 15 built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole system, and a front-loading bobbin system for simple operation. Built with a durable interior metal frame, it provides stability and smooth stitching for everyday projects like clothing repairs, home decor, and light crafting. This machine also includes helpful learning tools such as tutorial videos, a clear bobbin diagram, and a quick start guide, making it especially convenient for beginners. With its straightforward controls, lightweight design, and reliable performance, the Janome Blue Couture is a great choice for anyone looking for an easy and dependable sewing machine. Number 4. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine is a highly advanced and feature-rich sewing machine designed for creativity, precision, and professional-level results. It comes with 600 built-in stitches and over 1,100 stitch applications, including decorative designs, lettering fonts, and multiple automatic one-step buttonhole styles, giving users endless options for customization. The machine also includes time-saving features like an automatic needle threader, built-in thread cutter, speed control, and an easy-to-read LCD screen, making sewing smoother and more efficient. Built with a durable metal frame, it ensures stability and consistent stitch quality even during complex or heavy projects. With its extension table, hard cover, and wide range of accessories, the Quantum Stylist 9960 is especially ideal for quilting, garment making, and advanced creative sewing projects, offering both versatility and professional performance in one powerful machine. Number 5. Brothers CS7000X Sewing Machine. The Brothers CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine is a versatile and beginner-friendly machine designed for both everyday sewing and larger quilting projects. It comes with 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting options, along with 7 one-step buttonhole styles for added flexibility. The machine features an easy-to-use LCD display, an automatic needle threader, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system, making setup and operation simple and smooth. Built with a durable metal frame, it provides stability and consistent stitch quality, while the wide extension table and 10 included presser feet make it especially useful for handling bigger projects like quilts. Overall, it's a reliable all-in-one sewing machine that balances ease of use with advanced features, making it a popular choice for beginners and experienced users alike.